Yeah. Now let me go to add mesh cylinder. I'm taking a cylinder and I'm going immediately to the settings in the left side down corner. You are able to see the settings, I think. Add cylinder is it? Yeah, yeah. So there, vertices 32 by default, 32 vertices. Okay, fine. That is what we are not going to change it. And radius is 1. Okay, radius b1. Depth is 2. So this one we can change it to, we can try some 8 or something. No, more than 8 we need, I think. Maybe 16 we'll put. Yeah, 16 is okay. If I just change it to front viewport, I will be able to see the entire height of the post, cylindrical post what we have created now. So now I will just minimize this one. So what I have typed in the add cylinder settings is vertices 32, radius 1 and depth 16. Right, now I will minimize it, and then you are able to see the x-axis line, red color line, x-axis line. On that I am going to keep this object. I will press Control in the keyboard and then move it upwards and keep it on the x-axis line. That is, it is a floor. See, it is standing on the floor, right? Now, once I do this, I have to uh, apply Control A on transforms to bring the pivot back to the this pivot. What we are seeing, no, this vector handle, XYZ handle, back to the world origin. This is called world origin. This place is called world origin. So back to the bring the pivot back to the world origin. We are going to apply all transforms. So I'm in object mode. I've selected the object. Press Ctrl A, all transforms. Right, now the pivot is back to the world origin. This this pivot in Blender we call it origin, not pivot, but in Maya they call it pivot. So we will just to for understanding and communication we can use this pivot word. But wherever you see this origin word in the Blender, they mean uh, it means pivot. Okay, right. Now the cylindrical post is ready. I have now minimized the viewport, 3D viewport to this much. Now I will again minimize, that is I have maximized it. I will go back to the minimize, and we are able to see the outliner and properties panel order. I am going to name this cylindrical post as let's just post on pillar, post pillar something, post I will do it. Now next thing what we have to model is on the top of the post we can keep one hemisphere. So I'll go to add mesh again and create UV sphere. I'm choosing UV sphere, not the icosphere. Icosphere, you see what the difference between the UV sphere and the icosphere. Icosphere will look triangulated. UV sphere will look that is regular. It will look quads. Four edges for every face it will have. Here for every face you will have only 3 edges. So this one is easy to selection for selection and duplication and all. This one is not. That is icosphere is not. So we are choosing only UV sphere. UV means XY. We are calling in other words UV. So I'll take it again. I have deleted those two spheres and I'm taking it again. I'm going to add mesh UV sphere. Okay, it has come to the world center. Now in front viewport, front orthographic viewport, I'm pressing the control and then moving it in Z axis and pressing dot in the keyboard, numerical pad, that is for frame selection. This is called frame selection. I'm just framing it, whatever I have selected, in the view close up. So now I have done that frame selection. I'll go into edit mode. I need only the half of this sphere. So for that what I will do, I will delete the lower portion of the sphere. I will switch to face mode and switch on the X-ray mode and then select the lower part, delete faces. Right. Now I'll keep this like this, and actually I want to scale also, but later I will do that. So till this level you can do. I will guide you. Uh, okay, I will show you again. I will show you. See, I just selected. I drew a rectangular selection. See, in the first, in the toolbox, first we see the rectangular selection. Then I'm switching on that, and then I'm drawing a rectangle from outside. Some people are drawing from inside. No, we should not draw it like that. From outside, we should draw and cover the whole, the lower portion hemisphere. Okay, I have covered it. If you want, you can see it on the other side also. Okay, all the sides are selected, right? Now after checking it, press delete in the keyboard. It will show you a menu containing vertices, edges, faces, dissolve vertices, dissolve edges, faces. Like this these two types of deletion, they are uh, they are giving us choice. We are going to select the third option, delete faces. That's all. Not delete dissolve faces. Delete faces. Okay, right. It will delete all the faces. If I choose delete dissolve faces, see what is happening. In some cases it will, yeah, in some cases what will happen is like dissolve vertices. Okay, here the effect is same. In some cases what will happen is edges will remain, only faces will get deleted, like this, something like this, only faces. So you are able to see the edges, no, like this. Sometimes for some objects it will get deleted, but in our case we have to delete all the faces, including the edges, vertices, all that. So we are choosing the third option, faces, like this. Now I'm just moving it closer to the cylindrical object's top portion and just keeping it. After this we have to do the extrusion on the here in this region, like uh, in this region we have to do the extrusion. So that we'll do later, but till this level you can also do uh, just you can share your screen if you want, so that I can guide you. Sorry. I will stop sharing. Yeah. Yeah. Now I can see. Uh-huh. Oh, very good. But little, I think shall we start from the first, because with the dimensions, no, I can tell you for that purpose. Yeah. Go to front view. Sorry. Go to front view. Yeah. So yeah. Now add uh, mesh and cylinder. Yes, yes. Now on the left side settings, no, the vertices 32 is okay. Radius should be 1, and depth shall be like 16, 1 6. Yeah. Yeah. Now this can be closed. We can just minimize. Okay. That way also we can do, right. Now you can select it, and then no, no, don't move it. No, undo, undo. Okay, okay, good. Now just select the cylinder. uh, we just have to move it only in the z axis. So go to the toolbox, choose move handle. uh, Z handle, yeah, on just on the x-axis line, yeah, right. Now uh, select the same object and then apply all transforms. Select the all cylinder, control A, control A, yeah, control A, all transforms, yeah. Now you will see that you have seen that pivot has come back to the world center, right. Now we have to create one more object on the top uh, hemisphere. Go to add, go to add, yeah, mesh, and then UV sphere, right. Yeah. So UV sphere will be having quads, unlike icosphere. So we are mostly using the UV sphere only. Now I think the the sphere is very small. Maybe you are doing something. I think with the sphere. It's okay. Uh, okay. That is one thing, that is, it should not be moved from away from the, when you are moving, no, I suggest you move in only in one axis, not free moving. That is, that white circle you are seeing, no, if you touch, click on that and move, it will move freely. X, Y axis, Z axis, all together it will move. Yeah, instead we should use only one single axis. So I think, uh, yeah, mesh UV sphere. Yeah. Now you can increase the radius, like one you put, no, one is okay, fine. Sorry. Now you in the Z axis, Z means blue color handle. Uh, just move it and place it on the top, no, on the top of the cylinder. Yeah, enough, yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Okay, you have to select, let's keep it selected only, that sphere, no, keep it selected. Press dot in the keyboard. That is, I think, in your maybe just function dot you press, no, function. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. So whenever I say frame selection, no, this you can do, like function dot. This will frame the selection. It will view the object whatever you have selected in close-up. So it will be very useful actually. Okay, right. Now we have to select the lower portion, lower hemisphere. So for that we have to go to edit mode, that is component mode. So you can press tab in the keyboard. Yeah, that is, it's a context menu, no? So you have to bring the cursor to the 3D viewport and then press tab. Yeah, now it's in 3D viewport. Now press tab. Tab means in the that is tab, in that key I am saying tab in the keyboard. It's not there. Okay, now maybe it's not, maybe in your laptop it is different function. Okay, in that case, no, you can go to object mode, that top one, that interaction modes we call. There you can choose edit mode. Okay, edit mode. Yeah. Now uh, yeah, now switch to face mode. That is on the top, no, vertex, yeah, last one, yes. Now lower portion you can do the rectangular selection, and then yeah, very good, yeah, yes. Now press delete. Third option, yes, yeah. Now one thing I will tell you, just listen. See, on the top right side corner you have switched on the X-ray mode, no, X-ray mode is on. Yeah, so that is why the other side of the sphere also got selected. In case that X-ray mode is off, the other side won't get selected. Whatever is visible in the front side, only that will be selected. So that we should be aware whenever we are selecting the any faces or vertices, or that whether X-ray mode is on or off. Like that we should check, and then based on our requirement we should switch on or off. We should do. Right. Now we have deleted the lower portion of the sphere. Right. Now you can go back to object mode. by going to just change the edit mode to object mode, top left side. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Now bring it down in Z axis. There is blue color handle. Blue color handle. That is, we have to bring it closer to the cylinder post. Yeah, that is. It is sitting on the top of the cylinder like that, but it is not in the same shape. It should be little. Just press frame selection. No, press function dot. Function dot. Yeah, okay. Now, one thing we have to do is it's in gray color, no? Object is in gray color. We are not able to see clearly. We can do one thing. On the top right side, we are seeing many render modes. Like after this X-ray mode, we are seeing one icon, and then shade mode is on, that is solid mode is on. After that, a small node is there, downward, like downward arrow mark. Yeah, yeah. In that mat cap, you click on the mat cap, no? Mat cap. Now click on the sphere. Sphere. Just below that sphere is there, no? Small sphere is there. On that you click. Just below it. Yeah. So you will see many shades. These are just for, they have given, Blender has given us for modeling purpose. Sometimes, yeah, mostly we'll be using that clay color. Yeah, clay, that is the one. Yeah, just first one you kept, no, not that one. No, no, go back to the same clay. There is bit orange dim color is there, no? Second row, that one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is the one we generally use for modeling. uh, yeah. Whatever objects present in the scene, no, in the 3D viewport, it will just change. So that why they have given us is, it is not for the render view, not for lighting and rendering. They have given it for our uh, convenience. Like when you are modeling it, if it is in gray color, background also in gray color, this object also in gray color means, or white color means, it will be like we cannot see it properly. So they are giving some contrast color for us to be convenient while modeling. So for that purpose, this color we can choose whatever models we are going to use. We are going to do at that time, we can just shift, apply this color in the shade, and then start working. Right now, you can frame select and then close up, or zoom you can do. Yeah, zoom also we can do. Now this down part, no, we have to extrude, or else I will show you, you can do. But one thing, you can give a little gap for that, little, just move it. You press control and move it, no, press control and, no, no, undo one, undo you. uh, press hold control in the keyboard and then move it and see. Yeah, do you feel it is snapping? One unit, it will snap. One square unit, it will snap. So it will be very easy to uh, model something precisely. So because we are snapping on the grid, no, it will be to the point. So we can press the control, press hold the control, or on the top you are seeing horseshoe magnet icon you are seeing. Yeah, that one, if you switch on and do, you don't have to press control. While just without pressing control only, it will happen. Yeah, yeah. So the shortcut for that horseshoe magnet is control. Press control and move it. Yeah. Now this gap we need, actually, I will tell you how to fill that. So I'll share my screen. Yeah. Now I'm going close up, and one unit, uh, one square unit, I'm snapping and keeping it. Right. Now I don't want this guy that is this top one to be a dome shape, not a proper dome shape. Little flat it should be. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm going to I'm using the scale gizmo, scaling it in the z-axis downwards. Here also I'm using the control, press hold control, and I'm scaling it down. Right, this is okay. Right now, after doing this, what I'm doing, I'm going to select both of them, and uh, okay, before that I have to add some loop cuts here in the cylinder. So let me add it. So while adding loop cuts in the cylinder or any lengthy object, we have to bring completely in the view. That is, we should not be, suppose I want to add here, I want to add only in this portion, but still I will have to zoom out and then add it. So I'll go to edit mode and then press Ctrl R. You can see a yellow color line is formed. Okay, fine. Now I'm not pressing left mouse button or any mouse button or any button in the keyboard. Now I'm pressing left mouse button, and I'm able to move the edge loop. Okay, fine. And if I want to multiply, I can just that is, I want not just one, more loop cuts I want, more than one I want. So in that case, what I will do, I'll press left mouse button one more time, and then I can immediately see the settings, loop cut and slide settings on the left side down corner. Here I will increase the number of cuts to 2 or whatever. Okay, 2, let it be 2, right? Now I will minimize this and then go to scaling icon, that is scaling gizmo, and then scale it. Automatically it will get placed on the top right now, and then I'm placing it like this, right? So one loop cut on the top, one loop cut on the bottom, right? Now what I'm going to do is, uh, I'm going to switch to face mode and select the faces and extrude this, Alt E, and then extrude faces along normal. Second option I'm choosing, and I'm extruding it. In user perspective, it will look like this. Okay, fine, nice. Now I'm going to do the same extrusion for this lower portion also. So I have selected this top one and edit mode, and I'm in face mode already. I'm pressing Alt, and the corner of the face, right side corner of the face, I'm clicking. It will select the entire loop, face loop. Now I'll press Alt E and choose the second option, extrude faces along normals. Yes, it is extruding. Okay, fine, right. Now this one and this one is ready. There is top one and the cylindrical post is ready. Now in between we need something. So to like fillet, something like fillet we need. So for that, what we are going to do is, we are selecting the cylinder post and then little zoom out and edit mode. Some faces are selected, so let me do the deselection and then press Ctrl R and add 2 cuts. Okay, fine. Now I'll just, with my left mouse button, double click and scale in Z to bring those loop cuts closer to each other, and then move it here somewhere, and just this size I want to make. So what I'm doing, I'm just minimizing it with this, yeah, this, sorry, This is okay. Now you see in Blender we have this option. If I want to cut this, I want to cut this object like a cake, I can do that. I just have to do one thing. I have to switch on the X-ray mode and delete only this portion and press Shift D. You see what is happening. After pressing Shift D, I am just pressing Escape. Okay, fine. And then pressing P in the keyboard and separate selection, separate menu it is showing, and choosing selection, separate the selected faces. Now I'm choosing the selection. Yeah, it has separated now. I am going to object, set origin to geometry, right? In front viewport, I'm just moving it and placing it here. Just for this sake only, we were doing all this, like adding 2 loop cuts and then trying to duplicate it and placing it here. Now after duplication, we don't need these lines anymore. So I'm going to edge mode, selecting these lines and press delete, and this time dissolve edges, not edges. If I press edges, you see what is happening, entire mesh will get deleted. So I'm pressing dissolve edges. This set of edges got deleted, right? So just to make the fillet, to create the fillet and place it in between these top and the cylindrical post, we did this shift duplication of faces and we separated it and made it a separate object. Now I'm going to scale it. I'm going to top view and then scale it, that make it wider. Okay, fine. So it will look like this. So like this. You may wonder, we can even go to add mesh and create a cylinder and do it like this. We can just scale it down and keep it there. Like this also we can do it without selecting the faces and duplication, all that. No, this is very easy. But thing is, we can, that is for the sake of learning how to duplicate the faces from an existing object and make altogether a different object from the faces. For that we were doing that, right? So this is the object we created just now by duplicating from the faces. You may feel like it is hollow, but we can make it, we can fill it by hiding this one first and then selecting this alone and going and selecting the top portion and down portion. Press F in the keyboard, it will fill. That's all. So it is no more hollow. Now I'm making the other objects visibility back. Yeah. So this one, till this level you can do it. Yeah, till this level you can do it. Yeah. I'll stop sharing. You can share. Okay, it's already shared only. Yeah. So yeah, you have scaled it enough. This scaling is enough. Do you want to make it more height? You want to increase a little height? You can do that. Yeah. So it need not be the same like what I'm doing or what in the photo it looks. So it can have a change. Right now, we have to add. We have to extrude. No. So first, select the cylindrical post. We can do the extrusion for the cylindrical post. Below one post. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Now press dot frame selection. The entire object we should be able to see. Only then we can add. Okay, function dot, function dot. Yeah. If you feel that function dot is bit difficult, no, in that case, what you can do, you can zoom out only. Since you know that the purpose of function dot, you need not use it when you are alone. When you buy a keyboard, that is desktop keyboard, at the time you can use it. It will be easy for you than using in laptop. So it's not an issue. Okay. Now, why we have to zoom out is only when you zoom out, we will be able to see the addition process. You just go to edit mode. No, I will tell you what I'm trying to convey. Yeah, yeah. Now it's all selected. Press Alt A to deselect and for to do a fresh selection. Ah, yeah. Now, do you see any line in between? Actually, no, no. In between, yeah, it is no. They are not line actually. They look like line. They are faces only. So only top edge, top face and bottom face are there. In between, there are no loop cuts actually. They look like line actually. Okay, now that doubt will be cleared. Now, Control R. You can take your cursor to the geometry on the keep the cursor on the geometry, and now press Control R. Control R. You have pressed on. Yeah. No. Yeah, you are seeing the line. No. Now you can. Now you don't click left mouse button or anything. Just roll the scroll mouse button upwards. I think. Little one. Little back. No. Backwards. That is. Yeah. Now only two we have. So this is enough for us. Now we have added what we want, how much ever we want. Now you can stop this tool. How? By pressing left mouse button, click. Yeah. One. Yeah. Click. Yeah. Now escape. No. Press escape in the keyboard. Yeah. Now you are sorry. Now you are able to see the settings on the left side. No. Loop cut and slide. Small settings. It is minimized. Left side down. Yeah. You have to open it. This settings, no, it will disappear if you just click outside. It will disappear. So once we add any loop cuts, we should be we should take care that we are not clicking anywhere outside in the 3D viewport. We should go directly to the settings and open the settings and see. And if you want to add any number of cuts or smoothness or factor, anything you want to increase or decrease, you have to do. Then you can go to 3D viewport and click, so that the settings will disappear. Now we have added two. Yeah, we don't need any more the settings. We have added the two. So now but we need the selection actually. So just press Control Z. The selection is needed. Control Z. Just one undo you do. Yeah. So selection. Otherwise, no. It'll be you have to go zoom in and then select again. For that, we are doing the undo. Right now, we have to place these guys one edge loop on the top, one edge loop on the bottom. So for that, we are going to use the scale gizmo. Go to yeah, that one only. Yeah. Yeah. Now use the z-axis gizmo, z-axis handle, and scale it upwards. Scale it more, so it will be placed on the one on the top, one on the bottom, like that. Yeah. Scale it. Yeah, even more scale it. Yeah. Even more scale it. Yeah, little more. Can you please scale it? Little more. Yeah, little more. Enough. Thanks. Now you can deselect by pressing Alt A. Alt A. Yeah. Now zoom to the top one, top portion. Yeah. Now you can. You can pan it. Yeah. So for panning, no, press Shift mouse and middle mouse button. You just see, no, shift to press hold shift. That also you can do, just for information I'm saying. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, shift and middle mouse button. Right. Now, you know how to select the set of face loop. That is, I will tell you. Uh, Press 3 in the keyboard. Press 3 in the keyboard. It will change to face mode. Oh, no, no, undo. Something else happened. Okay, okay, okay. No, 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 undo, undo. Escape, escape or undo, you know. Okay, now you go to edit, no? Go to edit, file edit, redo will be there. Just redo it, redo, one more redo, one more redo. Oh, it's all. So where is that spear? Uh, okay, it's went somewhere else. Maybe it got moved, I think. Somehow it got, there it is. I don't know how it got moved. Okay, we have to go to object mode and then move, bring it back here, I think. Select the sphere, no, sphere in the outliner. uh, 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 right view, it is on the, okay, okay. So the cylinder got moved. Okay, fine. So now we have to bring the, yeah, yeah, yeah. I think maybe you would have used the free move. I think it's okay. One thing we can do, no problem. Escape, escape. No, no, escape. Yeah, that is why no, I don't use shortcuts for movement, moving and rotating. No, rotation. We are okay, okay, no problem. Now go to edit mode. Edit mode. Press A, A. Yeah. Now move handle. Move handle. Yeah. Green. Right side you can move. You can press control also while it is nearing. Press dot now. Press dot. Function dot. Yeah, yeah. Little more zoom. We can align it properly, I think. Just scroll mouse button. You can zoom it. Okay, it's I think it is aligned. Okay, fine. Now no problem. I think, yeah. Now zoom to the top portion. We are going to extrude it. Zoom further to the top portion. If you're feeling difficulty, no, in zooming and all, you can select any one vertex or any one edge there and press function dot. It will go there, go to that spot only. Okay, next time I'll show that. Now go to switch to face mode. That is, yeah, yeah, that one. Okay, I think when you are moving, no, when you are moving, I think your hands are touching the mouse pad in the laptop. It is a possible. Yeah, yeah. With the mouse. Okay, okay. Right. Because when I used to work in the laptop, no, that is without my Windows, that is desktop keyboard. I had to use laptop keyboard. When I'm taking my hand and pressing some key in the keyboard, laptop keyboard, my my palm automatically it is scratching on the laptop. Laptop is having one small mouse pad kind of thing, no? Some provision is there. There it is touching. So it used to happen. Yeah. Okay. So now you can press. Take your cursor to the face. That is that we have added that set of faces. and select the yeah, press hold alt in the keyboard and then select the same face. Press yeah, yeah, now you got selected. Yes, very good. Now press alt e. Yeah, second option. Yeah, yeah, it will drag the mouse, it will expand. Yeah, yeah, expand. If you are feeling this expansion is bit I'm not able to do, you are not able to do it in the manually, you can left mouse button one click, you do left mouse button one click. Yeah, now you are seeing the offset. Here also you can adjust, maybe just type point 1, no. Oh, this will be very big. Point 1 will be okay, I feel. Yeah, point 1 is okay, right. So same thing we have to do for the, now once you have done, no, you can immediately deselect alt a, you can deselect. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you can go back to object mode and select the top one and do the same extrusion for the lower portion. No, no. Yeah, yeah, careful, careful. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, object mode, select the top one, top top one. Yeah, now press function dot. Yeah, it will immediately come. Yeah, this way only I just go to that spot just by pressing dot or function dot, no, immediately go to that spot. You need not manually zoom in. Yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah, yeah. Now select the down portion, that same set of faces, lower set of faces in the hemisphere. In the hemisphere. Yeah. Alt also you can do, or rectangular selection also you can do. Okay, alt you do. Alt you do. Yeah. You take your cursor there. No, no, not on the cylinder, on the sphere, hemisphere. No, just now you selected. Below that, no, no, below that. Yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yeah. Yeah, I will tell you. There is a small subtle thing is there. You just zoom in, zoom inside. Yeah, I will tell you. You take your cursor to the right side of any face, right side of any one face, one cell you select, you choose with your eyes, and take your cursor on the right side. Middle one you can choose, I think, middle face, no, middle, a little more middle, come to the middle. Yeah, this face right side, no, one edge is there, right side. Yeah, there you press, uh, keep your cursor there, press your press hold alt in the keyboard and then left mouse button click. Yeah, yeah, now it will select. This is the logic, or this is the way we should select in Blender. That is, I will tell you here itself. Just press alt A, no, deselect, deselect. Yeah, now just for safe purpose, safety, press W, because this uh, move gizmo is obstructing our view. Just press W. Yeah, yeah. Now you, same cell, same face, top edge is there, no? There you select, go take your cursor, top edge. There is same, no, no, same face. No, 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 no. Let it be in the same view, front view only, front view. That is, bring your cursor to the same face. There is down, down, middle face. No, no. There is down where we want to select, no, that one. Yeah, yeah, that face only we are. Yeah, that on its, that on that face one edge is there, no, its one four sides are there. We now, just now we selected the right, right one. Now just take your cursor to the top edge inside that face only. Now you press alt and click on it. You see what is happening when you press right side edge, it is selecting the right side loop. When you press the top side, top edge, it is selecting the top loop. You just undo once again, you do the right edge, no, Press Alt A and press Alt and select. You're getting, no? Yeah. So this is the logic actually. Yeah. So this will be very useful. Yeah. So now we are going to select the horizontal loop. Just now you select, no? Horizontal loop you select. Then the right side edge. Yeah, right side edge. Yeah, that's all. Now little zoom out and Alt E. That is zoom out so that we can see, no? Yeah, for that. For view we are yeah, Alt E. Second option. Yes. Now drag the mouse. If you are feeling difficulty, you can just press one left mouse button, click, and then increase here in the offset, 0.1 or something. Yeah. Now you can minimize this one. Yeah. Okay. You can click outside also to minimize. Yeah. Now you can. Now you have deselected. One small technique I will tell you. Suppose you want to switch to cylinder now. See, every time, no, you have to select cylinder. That is, you have to, now you are in edit mode of hemisphere, right? Am I right? You are in the component mode of hemisphere. Now to come to cylinders edit mode, no, what we have to do, we have to go to object mode of this hemisphere and then select the cylinder and come to edit mode. Just do that, no? Just go to object mode. Yeah, now it is in selected. No, wait. That is the hemisphere in selection, right? Now to go into cylinders edit mode, component mode, what you have to do? Press select the cylinder. You select the cylinder, no? Select. Yeah. Now you have to go to edit mode, right? So this is how we have to. So without passing through the object mode, we cannot go into another object's edit mode. We have to go back to object mode and select another object and go into next object's edit mode. Like that we have to do. But instead, no, I will tell you one way. You press Alt Q and take your cursor to the sphere, this hemisphere. Yeah, there. Okay. Now press Alt Q. You see, without going into object mode, you are directly going into another object's edit mode. Directly going. You don't have to go through object mode. So this is one shortcut. Alt Q is a shortcut for that. Yeah, correct. Now we have to take your cursor back to the cylinder and press Alt Q. Bring your cursor to the cylinder, no? Cylinder post. Yeah. Now press Alt Q because here we have to add a few more lines and create a fillet. Yeah. Zoom out. Yeah. Now we have to add two lines here. No, zoom out. We can zoom out. Or press home button in the keyboard. Home button you press. Okay. Generally, when we press home button in the desktop or something, no, it will what you have done, no, this result it will give when you press home button, right? Okay. No. That is apart from Windows Home, there is just Home. It should be in the, I think, near numerical pad or somewhere it should be, I think. Above the arrows and all, no, right, left, top, down arrows. Above that, home, end, scroll, lock, like that. Okay, it is not there. Okay, right. Now we are going to add two loop cuts, horizontal loop cuts. Take your cursor to the geometry, cylindrical post geometry. Take your cursor there. Only then it is a context, no? Everything in Blender is a contextual menu. So take your cursor on the object. Keep your cursor on the object. Yeah. That is in the cylindrical post object. Cylinder object. Yeah. I'm calling it post. Cylindrical post or cylinder, like that I'm calling it. Now press Ctrl R. Yeah. Now scroll mouse button, roll the scroll mouse button and make it 2. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 2 is enough. Yeah. Now left mouse button, double click so that we can end the option. Yeah. Yeah. I think one edge has been added, I think. Just escape, no? Escape. Press escape. Yeah, yeah. So if you click on that line again, no, it would have created one more vertical edges. So we should be a bit careful. That is, yeah, yeah, yeah. Right now, we can minimize this option. This loop cut slide. No, you can take your cursor to the loop cut and slide. Okay, you are doing the that is just one undo, you do. And yeah, okay, control Z also, right? Because to okay, next time I will tell you what it is. That is in the left side down, that settings are appearing, no, all the time. Setting dialog box is appearing whenever we add beveling, whenever we add control R, loop cuts and all. Left side setting box is appearing. Inside that setting box only, you a small node is there. If you click, it will get minimized instead of clicking it in the viewport, no. Because when we click outside in the viewport, deselection is happening, but actually we want that them to remain selected. So for that, otherwise, no, we have to select, zoom in and select again. All that rework will be there. Yeah, okay. Now go to toolbox, choose scale option. Go to toolbox in the left side. Yeah, yeah, scale option. Yeah, yeah, that's all. Now scale in Z axis. Scale down. Sorry, scale down. Yeah, yeah. Make it a bit closer to each other. Okay, enough. Maybe we have to zoom it and then do. Yeah, zoom it and then even more scale down. Okay, fine, this is enough. Now, no, we are going to duplicate these set of faces, like how you press, you selected the horizontal loop in the top. Same way we have to select this face loop also. Go to face mode. There is not face menu, face mode, vertex, edge, face, no, icon, 3 icons here. Now uh, bring your cursor to any face and right side selection you have to do, horizontal loop. That faces only, that newly we have created, no, set of faces. There you bring your cursor. Yeah, yeah, there is press alt and select the loop. Yeah, there only. Yeah, this is called loop. Loop means what? Start and end will also select, will get selected. That is, they will meet from the starting till the end. That loop. So this is called loop selection. If we are selecting only 4 faces or 5 faces, no, they are not loop. The around completely when we are selecting, that's called loop selection. Face loop selection, or vertex loop selection, or edge loop selection, like that we call it. Right now, we need this. We are going to cut this like a hot cake, and keep that object on the top, uh, like that we are going to do. Now for duplicating this object and make it a separate object, we are pressing, just press P in the keyboard. P. It is asking which one to separate, whether the selected should be separated or it should be separated into loose parts. We are going to choose the selection. We have already selected the faces that we are going to separate. Yeah, selection. Yeah. Now you see, you don't click anywhere. you see some orange color is being formed. Even in the outliner you can see cylinder something is formed there, you can see in the right. Yeah, so in the outliner do you see that cylinder 001 something is there, right side in the outliner you can read the cylinder is there, it is in active selection on the right side above. Yeah, yeah, it is in orange color selection, means what, inactive selection. Yellow color is active selection, orange color is inactive selection. You can in the just take your cursor to the outliner, no, right side outliner, right side, right, that is properties panel is there. Yeah, above that outliner, above that this is called outliner. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry. So the first one cylinder is the cylindrical post, the second one is the separated portion. Now to access it we have to go back to edit object mode. So bring your cursor to the 3D viewport and press go to object mode. Press tab. Yeah, you can directly go there. Yeah, yeah. Now you select the second cylinder, no, go to outliner and select. In some cases we have to go to outliner and select. Yeah, yeah. Select that one. Yeah, yeah. Now you see it's a separate object now. Whatever faces we selected, no, now we have separated and made it a separate entity, separate object. Now, so that is also one option we can do while doing mechanical objects and all. No, we will do entirely. For example, car we are modeling, front side, back side, top, sides, everything we'll do in one, using one single geometry, continuous surface. Then what we will do, we will select the front set of faces and press P in the keyboard and separate it, and we will name it as a separate object. Like that we will do. So for that this option will be useful, that separating set of faces and doing it right. Now uh, uh, if you see we are not able to see the handle, no, move handle we are not able to see. Am I right? There is for rotation or movement or scaling, no, though it is selected we are not able to see the move handle. Why? Because the center is somewhere else. You just zoom out and see, no, zoom out with scroll mouse button and see. Yeah, it is somewhere else, the pivot is somewhere else. So how to bring this pivot inside the geometry? Okay, I will tell you. Go to submenus. There is submenus mean view, select, add, object, no, top. Yeah, 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 that one. Yes, yes. Object menu. Object menu. Yeah. Now set origin is there. Origin means pivot, I told you. So here when we apply this origin to geometry, no, second option. Yeah, you see what is happening immediately. Yeah, just apply. Yeah, you see. Yeah, so yeah, we don't have to move the pivot point to the geometry manually. It will by itself, when we apply this option it will do it. Now we can easily move it upwards. Now we can, yeah, yeah, now we can move it upwards. Yeah, upwards you can move. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, okay, it is. So I think we forgot to do the shift. Yeah, yeah, we forgot to duplicate. Okay, now you please undo. No, sorry, it's my mistake only, I didn't tell you that. Just okay, you duplicated it, but we have to duplicate it before itself. Okay, I will tell you the way for this also. We can merge it. No, it's not a problem. Now we can set this one. Press dot function dot in the keyboard. Yeah, yeah, right. Now we have to just place it in the middle. Little down. Yeah, enough. Now go to scale option in the toolbox. Yeah. Now zoom, scale it. No, not that. Yeah, scale it down in the Z axis. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Little more. Yeah, yeah. further. Yeah. No, little bigger, no, little bigger. Enough. Yeah, enough. That is what that is sometimes, no, gap will be nice actually. That is why I wanted a little very nanometer gap. Okay, this is okay only. Now now we have to, if you see, it is not covering the gap, right? It is little bit small. So what we have to do, go to top view, press 7 in the keyboard. Yeah. Now we can use that blue color patch is there, no? Blue color patch, small patch. Using that, just scale up. Slowly you can do. Yeah. Scale up. You can press that and scale up. Yeah. Yes. Little more. Little bit slightly. Enough. No, not this much. Scale down. Yeah, enough. Bas. Yeah. Now you see that it should not be so even, no? For that only I have scaled a bit larger. For that only. We will give some rubber texture or color for that, so that it will have nice, some contrast will be there. The top one will be in yellow, down one will be in yellow, the middle one will be in black color, rubber color, like that. It need not be the same like what the image what we are seeing. We can add certain features or certain portions we can change actually. Right now we have to fix that. We did duplicate, no? We actually cut that object into two cylinder. So there we have to go and fix it. It's very easy. Go to front view. Yeah. Now I think in outliner itself you can select that object to locate it. Go to outliner, take your cursor to outliner, right side. Yeah. There, just above this what you have selected, no, one more cylinder 00 is there. That one you select, no? I guess that is the one, I think. Now you have brought the, now you can press function dot, it will locate there immediately. Function dot you press, no? Yeah, so you don't have to manually zoom it and locate there. Right. Now we have to merge these lines, no? Because we have done a mistake, so we have to merge these lines. Now for that, no, first we have to merge join the two different objects. That is, this guy's name is cylinder 001 or something. The cylinder's name is just cylinder. So both these guys should be joined. How? Now you go to outliner, press Control and then select that cylinder. Yeah. So now you can see both are selected. Okay, fine. Now bring your cursor to the 3D viewport. Now this is a context menu. That's why Blender is completely context based. If I keep the cursor on the 3D viewport and apply one option, no, that is press Control or something, it will show a different option. Same Control D or F, when we keep the cursor on the outliner, the function is different. That is why every time I am saying bring the cursor to the 3D viewport, bring the cursor to the geometry, keep the cursor on the geometry, all that I am saying, because every cell is having a different context. Like that. Right. Now you have kept the cursor on the 3D viewport. Now press Ctrl J. Ctrl J. Yeah, it is joined, right? Okay, fine. This option is available. Yeah, it is joined. Now you, even in outliner, immediately you can see that it is one object, cylinder. Yeah. Now, yeah, it's only one cylinder. Yeah. Now this option is there in the object menu also. I just want to show you. Go to object menu, view, select add object menu, no? Yeah, object menu. Yeah. There, do you see join tool is there? This is the one we used actually. Now we don't have to use again, we have already used it. So Control J is a shortcut for that. In case you forget this Control J, no, but you know the concept that we have to join like that. So at that time you can go to object menu and apply, press the tool, join, right. Now though we have joined, it is not joined geometrically, it is still a separate object only. You can see, I will tell you how. Go to edit mode, go to edit mode, yeah. Now zoom in, carefully zoom in, zoom inside, yeah, little more, further, zoom in, yeah, enough. Now switch to vertex mode, first one, yeah. Now just pick any vertex and move it and see, that in that joint area, pick, just select one vertex, select one vertex, yeah, any one vertex, yeah. And now go to move handle and move it, move handle in the toolbox and just move it and see. No, it just freely, you see it is separate still. This is why I told it is not geometrically joined, it is still a separate object, or separate surface, separate faces. Now we have to merge those vertices and they will become one vertex. Wherever there are two vertices, it will become one vertex. So how to do it, I will tell you. X-ray mode is switched on, I think, yeah, it is switched on. Now you can draw the rectangle and select all those vertices, whichever the joint area vertices, no, all those vertices you can select. Draw the rectangle and just select all the vertices, no. From outside you have to start drawing. No, all the vertices, that is entire cylinder you have, yeah, from there, yeah, very good, yeah, selected. No, it may look like as if the entire object is selected. Don't worry, it is not selected like that. Only the portion where you drew your rectangle, only there it got selected, huh? You don't have to do, right. Now you have to merge, right. We have joined it, but geometrically we have to merge it. So for that, what we have to do, press M in the keyboard, keeping the cursor on the 3D viewport, press M. No, carefully, just one undo, you do. Okay, press M. M means M for merge, yeah. Now by distance you have to say, by distance, yes. Now it is asking how much distance the vertices should be. Those vertices who are 0.0001 should I merge, like that it is asking. So we are saying, yeah, those vertices are so near, only 0.0001 gap is there, but still for my satisfaction we can just for our satisfaction we can just increase one more value, like 0.001. just type 0.001, yeah, 1, yeah, enter, yeah, enter, yeah. Now press alt A, no, take your cursor outside, now press alt A, yeah. Now you press, yeah, it is context based, no, that is why we have to bring every time the cursor to the 3D viewport, and right. Now select any one vertex, like before, previously you did, no, same kind of thing, you action you do, no. Select any one vertex, just Poonam, I suggest you always do pick selection rather than rectangular selection. What you have done is correct only, but I suggest you not to do the rectangular selection. When you want to select only one vertex, no, just pick select, yeah, picks, yeah, that is picks, yeah. Now press move handle and move it, yeah, just move it and see, no. Now they are one vertex. They are no more. Yeah, yeah, no. Yeah. Undo it, undo it. Vertex is moving, but they are only one. There were two vertices. Now it is one vertex. Yeah. If you want, just switch off the X-ray mode. It will remove your confusion. Switch off the X-ray mode. Yeah. It is showing the other side. That's why you're. Now you select one vertex. No, no, you have selected the backside vertex because the X-ray mode is on. Now you deselect and select fresh selection. You do. No, you don't have to do this rectangular. You don't have to switch on that rectangle actually for pick selection. No. I can do. Yeah, 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 yeah. In this only you can do. Yeah, yeah. Now you move and see. No, you see there are no edges below it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Now you can undo it. Yeah. Now after merging it, we don't need these edges anymore. So what we are going to do is we are going to delete. So go to edge mode and then go to edge mode. Yeah, yeah, middle one, middle. No, top in the edge mode. That is vertex edge is there. No, yeah, middle one. Yeah, yeah, that is. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Press Alt and click on the any edge. Yeah, that horizontal edge. Yeah, yeah. When you are selecting, no, horizontal. Yeah, yeah. Now, bring your cursor down. Another parallel horizontal edge loop is there. No, that also you select, but shift select, shift alt. No, shift alt to select. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, little zoom out. Little zoom out. A little more. Little more. Yeah, enough. Now, yeah, yeah, okay. Now press delete. Press delete in the keyboard. Now choose dissolve edges. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's all. If you had chosen edges, no, rather than dissolve edges, it would have deleted the faces also. Yeah, so yeah, that is where we should use dissolve edges, right? Now you can zoom out and zoom out. Yeah, yeah. So yeah. Now press. We have to add two more edges. Actually, with these edges only I can show you, but I want you to learn the delete, how to delete all that, how to select the edges, edge loops, all that. So we have to go through this process. Now we have to add two edges freshly. Take your cursor to the geometry and add yeah, Control R. Yeah, yeah, Control R. Uh, yeah, scrolling. Yeah, Control. Yeah. Roll the scroll mouse button. It will happen. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is enough. This is enough. Left mouse button. Double click. Uh, just zoom it. No, zoom it. Okay. That is one thing is when we are clicking, no, we should take care that one more line is not added. Okay, I will show that mistake also. I will show how that mistake should not happen. I will show that. Okay, now you have added the two loop cuts. Now we have to place them, one on the top, one on the bottom. But this time it won't be on the topmost and it won't be on the bottommost. It will be little lower level. So you can do the scaling now. Go to scale option in the toolbox. Yeah. Now little zoom out. Yeah, zoom out. Little more. Yeah, yeah. Now using the scale Z axis, scale up. There is Z means blue color handle. Yeah, 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 that's it. Scale up, scale up. No, 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 slowly, slowly, scale down, scale down, slowly you just yeah. uh, I think yeah, this should be okay. I think yeah. Later, if we want, we can move it. Yeah, this should be okay. Now, yeah. Now I'll show you in my screen. Okay. So I have also added. I think okay. I didn't add. I'll add. What I'm doing is when I'm clicking no, I'm clicking. Do you see my cursor? Black color cursor. Do you see in my? So I'm not keeping it inside. Rather, I'm keeping it bit outside the geometry once I have done it. So either I can left mouse button and stop the functioning of that particular tool, which is control R, or just by pressing escape in the keyboard I can confirm it. So escape is also one, escape button is also one option, rather than clicking on the uh, yeah. I will again show you. You see, sometimes what happens? Control R, I am pressing. Now it is adding. Okay. You see, some one line is also extra line. Yellow color line is showing up. No, do you see that? This should not get added. That is my fear actually. So what I am doing? Okay, this should not get added. I will not now use the left mouse button, rather I will use escape button, like that I am going to use, or else I will bring my cursor outside and click outside like that. So I am choosing to press escape in the keyboard. Yeah. Right. Now I am going to scale it up and position it like this. Okay, fine. Right. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a hook here. Uh, where means here, this place we are going to create a hook. The hook will look like I'll just search for the image so that it will be clear for you. This is the one actually I wanted to send you. Wait, I'll send you now. Yeah, I'm just searching some image. Yeah, and now I'll send you in the WhatsApp. So just see in the WhatsApp. Uh, yeah, it is not much, so a bit simplified. uh, we can add further, that is we can match the image, what are all the objects in the actual image, real life image, that and all we can do. But in the beginning we can do only this one, what I have sent you recently, that image first we can do, then we can go for the next, like that we can improve. So in this, if you see, one hook is there where the chain is like hooked. Yeah. So that hook object we are going to do. For that we are you would have heard about Boolean operation in other SolidWorks, all that. So here also we have in Blender, but generally in Blender and other softwares, in like Maya and all, we don't use this Boolean operation much because it is disturbing the topology of the mesh. So instead we are using another object, another method. I will show you that method. Later I will show you Boolean also. Now I'll show you this first method. I'm now going to add mesh plane, and I'm rotating in the front view. I'm rotating the y-axis 90 degree, and using the move handle I'm keeping it here. For just for reference, I'm switching on the wireframe on shaded. This will help me to place my hook wherever I want, below this edge loop or whatever. So I think I have placed it, but still I have to scale it. I'm in front view. I'll go to right view and scale it down. Okay, fine. Okay, this should be okay, I feel. Yeah. Now if you see, why we have to create this plane is because we need a hoop kind of thing. That is, we need a bent surface which is similar to the cylinder degree of turning. This degree of curvature we need. If you from the top we can see this same kind of turning or this degree of curvature we need, from where this hook will project, will come out, will protrude from there. So for that I have created this plane, and I'm keeping it very close to the cylinder's surface. Okay, fine, I have placed it right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add uh, vertical loop cuts. Control R, and I have selected the plane recently I have created. Going into edit mode, pressing Control R and adding vertical loops, vertical cuts. Yeah. Okay, I have added five cuts. Right. This is okay for me. Now I want this plane to uh, match the surface of that particular portion in the cylinder. I can do it. Yeah, for actually, yeah, for it's for carving only. But instead of moving it, I'm just now I will show you manually. I'm moving it. We can do that. Yes, we can manually move it. I'll show you. I'm just selecting the this side and this side. Either side I'm selecting, and I'm moving it like this. We can hide the sphere. I can clearly see it. And this side I'm selecting and moving it like this. Okay, now the plane is also matching the degree of curvature of the cylinder. You can see that, yeah, it is matching, but I don't want to do it this way. I want to use some options which are given by Blender, so that you can learn those options, and in the process you may apply this option, these tools somewhere else for for your mechanical modeling and product modeling. So we are going to undo this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use knife projection method rather than Boolean method or this manual modeling method. We are going to use knife projection method. The knife projection method, the tool is here only. You can see knife, it is here. In the menu also it is there. So I'll show you how to do this. So I have created this plane and added the vertical loop cuts in this. Yeah, vertical loop cuts are added. 5 number of cuts I have added. Now what I will do is I will go to edit mode, choose edge mode, and then press Alt in the keyboard and select this edge loop edge. edge loop, and then this one also, and this one, and then entire edge loop I'm selecting. Now we did that separate selection, all that duplicate and separate, same thing we are going to do. I'm pressing Shift D to duplicate and press immediately escape, and then pressing P in the keyboard, choosing selection. Yeah, now I can see the orange color, it has become separated, right? Now it's a separate object. Now we don't need this plain object anymore, so this one we have. So now this is actually, you see here a triangle, downward pointing triangle is there. We have to convert this guy to curve, only then this knife projection tool will accept this curve actually. So for so we have to convert this downward pointing triangle, which is mesh, to we have to convert this to curve. How to convert it? We have to select this guy, go to object mode, select this guy, and then go to object menu, convert to curve. Now you see in the outliner we can see it has, the icon has changed, it is now curve, no more a mesh. Yeah, now I just go to edit mode. We can see they are actually nature of splines, they are not they are no more poly curve, they are spline or Bezier curve actually. So this curve only, Bezier curve only, we have to give it, we have to choose for a knife projection method. Right now I've selected this option, this Bezier. I've named it as Bezier only. Bezier. Yeah. Now I've selected, there is a selection order for knife projection method. I'm selecting the Bezier curve first, and then the object second, and going into uh, edit mode. It will show one menu, mesh menu. In that we see the knife project. It's a knife projection, we can call it knife projection. I'm applying that. Immediately see what change is happening. I'll keep it here. Mesh knife projection. Immediately it will form a yeah, something like this. It will form, yeah, shape will form, but generally it will come nicely, but this time it is not coming. Maybe I think, yeah, it is bit deformed. I think maybe if I apply Control A, and there is all transforms, let's see if it is changing. Here also I will apply all transforms, right? Okay, so now I will do the same action again. I will go into edit mode and then apply knife project. Yeah, so after applying all transforms, it is somewhat okay. Huh? Right. Now I can hide this Bezier curve. I don't need this anymore actually. uh, Now what I will do is, I will select that uh, top, that is this top one and the bottom one, and I'm going to scale in Z axis, and just before that I'll check whether the transform pivot point is in origin, individual origins. Okay, now I'll change it to individual origins, and then scale down to 0 in Z axis. Now it has become flat, right? Now I will select the faces like this. Okay, now I'll press Alt E to extrude. I'm choosing the second option. Let's see how it is coming out. Okay, now we have to do one thing. You see, double lines are there. This should not happen. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go to vertex mode, delete these additional vertices, dissolve vertices, dissolve vertices, this also dissolve, fine, here also dissolve. The very uh, the vertices will be very close to each other, so we have to zoom in and then delete them. Yeah, now I'm selecting the faces, Alt E, extrude faces along normals. So if I do this extrude faces along normals, it is bit coming slanting. Rather, let me choose Alt E, extrude faces. That's all. First option. It will come straight. So this is what we want. This is enough for us. Yeah. Right. Now it will move it back. Okay, fine. Now we can separate this object by selecting all the faces. Okay. Okay. Now I'm pressing P. There is P for separation. I'm pressing P in the keyboard and going to separate this hook mesh. Yeah, I'm pressing and choosing the selection. Fine. Now we can see a different an, separate entity is being formed in the outliner panel. It is an orange selection because we have to change it to go back to object mode, only then the selection will be on. Now it is no more a same object, it is a separate different object. I'm just using this set origin to geometry so that I can move it all that. Now we can see this hole has happened. It's okay because it's going to hide it. If you want, we can close it also by going to edit mode and edge bridge edge loops. Like this, we can actually close it, but it's not needed. Huh? So 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 till this level now we can do. Next is that from here we'll be projecting the we'll be adding two lines here and then scale it down like this and then select and extrude faces like this and then scale it like this and then would be so all these things we'll be doing and then we'll have to make a hole here. So I will show it again, but till this area we have to do. So you see I have done this below this line. That is why I created this line, so that no we can have a measurement kind of thing. That is just below this line we have to create a hook object like that we can do it. So here also down also we have created a we have added a edge loop. above that, that hook should be duplicated. From here, shift D and then place it here like this. This way. But one thing is we didn't finish this hook completely. This hook should be finished with that. A projection should happen and that hole should be made. Then we have to duplicate it. So yeah. Now okay. Now you can share your screen. I'll tell you how to do it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now go to object mode. Yeah. Add mesh plane. Yeah. Yes. Now go to rotation. There is in the toolbox. Yeah. Now in the x-axis, no, red color circle is there. Just hold on that, press hold on that, and exactly on, keep your cursor on the red axis line. There is on that. No. I think you don't have to press any key in the keyboard. Just to keep your cursor on that, and then on the x-axis line, and then press it. Press it. No, not this one. There's rotation gizmo. On the rotation gizmo. No. You have selected a plane. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Now rotation. Yeah, that one. Now you press. But don't leave the left mouse button. Just press on that. Press on that. Oh, it is getting deselected. No. I think exactly on that you have to press. You have pressed the left mouse button. Okay. Yeah, you press function dot, no, function dot. That is, I think, getting deselected. Yeah, press function dot, function dot. Yeah. Now, exactly press on that x-axis, that circle. Yeah. Left mouse button. No, you are little off on from that. Exactly. Yeah. Now just try to press. No, press left mouse button. Yeah. Oh, it is selecting the other end. Okay. Right. Now select the plane only. Select the plane. Go to. We can numerically do the changes. Press N in the keyboard. Yeah. Now in the no, the first one only. First one. Yeah. Rotation X 90. Yeah. For this only we were trying to do. Okay. Right. Now go to front view. Okay. This is front view. Okay. So go to right view. No. Go to right view. Right means 3. Yeah. Now I think plane got deselected. Select the plane. You can select in the outliner. If you are missing in the viewport, no, you can select in the outliner. Yeah. Now green color axis. Yeah, in outliner it is always available. Yeah. Right. Now green color axis, rightwards movement. Right side. Yeah. Oh no. Undo. Yeah. Undo. I think by some switch when you are pressing or something, no, this origin is switching on. I will tell you. Press N in the keyboard again. Just below the item there is a tool. In that origin should be off always. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Now you try to move it. Oh no, 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 undo, undo, no, no, not the cylinder. Yeah, yeah. You can select in the outliner. You can. Yeah, yeah. You're right. Enough, enough. Yeah, it's okay. Little backwards you go. Little backwards. No, no, sorry. That is move the plane backward. Little backward. Yeah, little slowly, slowly. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, enough. Now take it upwards. Take it up. Uh, Z. Upwards. Yeah. Yeah, press function dot, it'll be easy. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Yeah, yeah, this is okay. Move it up, move it up. Yeah, yeah. Now you want to know where you have to keep. No need to deselect. Let it be in selection only. Yeah. You select in, no. In the outliner you select. You become friendly with the outliner. No, it'll be easy. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, right. Now you want to know where you want to position it correct exactly. So for that, no, you are seeing X-ray mode, right? After that, shading, that is small node kind of icon is there on the top right side. On the top right side. No, no, there is in the viewport. I'm saying top right side. Viewport. Yeah, yeah, right side. Yeah, yeah. That one. Now, do you see wireframe or anything? No. Okay, okay. Before this one, another. Before previous. Again previous. No, no. Previous. Backwards you come. Backwards. Further backwards you come. Further. No. Just further. Next, previous one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, yeah. In that wireframe, you have to switch on. Geometry, there is something called geometry. Wireframe, you have to switch on. It will be in, yeah. Geometry is there, no? Same thing only. Geometry. Do you see geometry there? Geometry word will be there. Geometry. No, in the same thing. No, same thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you see outline selected word outline? Yeah, wireframe. Yeah, yeah. Now do you see the wireframe on the shaded on the solid mode? You'll be able to see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So for this only we added the line, and so that we can position this plain guy correctly just below the line. Yeah, yeah. No, wait. Just press function dot. No, function dot. Function dot. Yeah, yeah. Little zoom out. Yeah, yeah. Now just below this horizontal edge loop, you can keep. Enough. Bas, enough. Right. Uh, right. Now we have done this one. So positioning is done. We have to add loop cuts, vertical loop cuts for the plane. Select the plane. No, in the outliner you select. In the outliner. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now go to user perspective. Just middle mouse button. You will come to the user perspective. Middle mouse button. No. Middle mouse button. Press middle mouse button. Yeah, yeah. Just turn the camera. Yeah. Now we are going to yeah. Keep it like this. Now go to edit mode. Yeah, yeah. Now Control R. Keep the cursor on the geometry and press Control R. Control R. Yeah, there you should keep. Yeah, not working. Yeah, it should work. Yeah. Now press it is correct only. Yeah. Yeah. Scroll mouse button. No. Yeah. Yeah. This is enough. Five is enough. Now left mouse button. Left mouse one click. Yeah. Escape. Immediately escape button. Yeah, that's all. So this always you can follow. One left mouse button click and then escape. so that you won't add one more edge, or you won't move this set of edge loops what you have added, huh? Now we don't need this loop cut and slide. You just go to take your cursor to the settings dialog box, black color dialog box, left side, down, left side, down, there loop cut and slide you are seeing, no? Loop cut and slide word, there you just minimize it, just yeah, that's all. So without deselecting this, no, you can minimize it. For that I'm saying, yeah. Otherwise generally what they do, just to make this dialog box disappear, they click outside. What is will happen is the edges will get deselected, and again they have to rework and select them. So to avoid that rework, I'm telling, yeah. Yeah, now we have selected these, that is we have uh, added these lines. Now we have to select the boundary edges, so alt a, yeah. Now select the boundary edges of the plane. Yeah, that is four sides are there, no, for the plane. Those all the four sides. Shift plus another. Yeah, yeah. Alt plus Alt Shift. Yeah, press Alt A. Alt A. No, no. It's press W. No, this gizmo is coming in the obstruction. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Select. Now press Alt Shift. Yeah, yeah. Very good. Very good. Yeah, yeah. Right. Now Shift D. Now I think duplicated. I think, yeah. Escape. It will move immediately, but we have to escape. Now press P. We have to separate them actually. Selection first one. Yeah. Now you see one more is being added. Now you can go back to object mode. Yeah, yeah. Now select the first one, no, plane plane. Yeah, delete. Yeah, we don't need this guy anymore. Now select this plane and name it as Bezier. Yeah, that's it. Now go to object menu. There is object menu, right side. Yeah, that one. View, select add object. Yeah. No, next one. Yeah. Now do you see convert? I think you have to go down. I think go down. That is bring the cursor. It will scroll up now. Now convert to curve. Curve. You can choose a curve. Yeah, yeah. Now you see it has become the Bezier. That is curve icon has changed in the outliner. You can see it was it was actually downward pointing triangle. Now it is curve icon. Yeah. So to change, to convert a mesh into curve, we have to select its boundary edges or whichever edges you want, and then uh, separate it by using the P in the keyboard selection, and come back to object mode and then convert to curve. Yeah. Now some vehicle sound. I am hearing very strong vehicle sound. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Right. Now uh, so now we have to project this curve, Bezier curve, on the surface, that curved surface of the cylinder. So how to do that is, now you are already in the selection order only. First you have selected the Bezier curve. Next you have to shift select the cylinder. In the viewport only you can select. No, no, in viewport. Okay. In if you are selecting in the in control, then you have to choose. Wait. I will tell you. In outliner, if you want to select two objects, no, you have to. That is, you have to press control in the outliner. In 3D viewport, if you want to select two objects, you have to press shift in the keyboard. So in 3D viewport it is shift, in outliner it is control button. Yeah. So if you are choosing to outliner, press control button and then choose. Yeah. Now this is the selection order. First you have selected the Bezier curve and then cylinder, right? This is the selection order, correct? Huh? Now press edit mode, go to edit mode. Yeah, edit mode. Yeah, fine. Now there is a mesh menu, is there, no? Mesh menu, that is you select, yeah, mesh, yeah, that is one. Yeah, that's one. In that you see knife project. Okay, we have to do one thing. Sorry, no, don't apply it. We have to apply all transforms. All transforms we have to apply. Only then we have to do this knife projection. So go back, go to object mode, and control A. You have selected both of them. Control A. You should keep the cursor in the viewport and then control A. All transforms. Yeah. Yeah. Now you just select the no. Okay, you directly are going. Okay, go to edit mode. Go to edit mode. Okay, fine. A mesh knife project. Come down, come down. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Just turn around and see. It is project. It is. Yeah, it is fine. Now, no problem. So all transforms for both the object we applied, and then we applied the knife projection. It is working fine. Now go back to object mode. Object mode. Yeah. Now select only the Bezier curve. Yeah, you can. Okay, I thought of deleting it, so you can hide it actually. That eye icon is there, no? Yeah. All right. Now, select, our dealing is going to be with the cylinder only now. Select the cylinder. Yeah. Now go to right view, orthographic view. I think in your case it is front view. I think go to front view. Okay, where is that projection? Just turn the camera and see, no? Where is it? Uh-huh. Okay. So, okay, it is not in the front view. Press 1 in the keyboard. Uh-huh. I think it's in the back side, I think. Okay, no problem. Press 9 in the keyboard now. 9. Yeah, now you should be able to see. Yeah. Now zoom inside. Yeah. Now we have to flatten it. For that we have to go to edit mode. Yeah, edit mode. Yeah, fine. Now like this, if we do the flattening, no, it won't properly do it. So what we have to do is we are in edge mode. Alt A, deselection. Yeah. Now select only the top edges. Yeah. Press Alt and press Alt. Only Alt and left mouse button. Uh, oh, everything is getting selected. No problem. You can use the control and deselect the unwanted lower things using the rectangle. No. Undo. I'll tell you. Yeah. Now take your cursor outside the geometry, little left side. Yeah. Now press Control and draw a rectangle. Yeah, yeah. Now cover the entire lower portion. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, careful, careful. I think that is only. Okay, somehow it is deselecting the upper portion. Yeah, yeah. Now maybe switch on the X-ray mode. We should see why it is so. X-ray mode. Now one undo you do. One undo. Yeah. Okay. Now you are pressing only the control. No. Control. Uh-huh. Okay. You will do one thing. No, no. Okay, okay. Right. Now, this also you can do actually. Just press Control Z, one undo you do. Uh, like this also we can do. At a time, we can make them flat by going into shifting in switch to individual origins in the transform pivot point. Go to top, no? Cursor, yeah, next, like that, come next to the cursor, no, cursor, there is one word called cursor is there in the middle. Yeah, yeah, come, yeah, after this next icon, this is called transform pivot point menu. Here individual origins you choose, individual origins. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now go to scale, scale option, and yeah, and in Z axis, you press it and then type 0 without leaving the left mouse button. You click on, now type 0 in the numerical pad or any, no, 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 only one time, just undo, no, 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 press one, no, no, press front, um, press one in the, yeah, very precisely you select on the Z axis line only. I think selection is going wrong. I think there is selection means when you are picking on the handle. No, 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 you don't have to. Okay, one way I will tell you. No, no, press one. No, press one. I think you are pressing 0. That's why it's going there. Wait, wait. I will tell you. Don't do anything. Go to edit, file, edit. No, no. Edit preferences. Yeah. Now go to viewport. In that gizmo size increase it to 150 or something. Yeah. Now close it. Oh, okay. You have, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now the gizmo is bigger. No. Maybe now it'll be somewhat help. Now press the Z handle. Yeah. 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 You have pressed it. Z handle. Okay. Just drag the mouse downwards. Now type 0. Yeah, that's all. This is called, now escape. Press it. Yeah. This is called special manipulation. Only in Blender we can see this option. That is, without going into any transform XY, location XY0, all that, no, we can rotate using this special manipulation. Just now what you did is you clicked on one axle using left mouse button, but you didn't leave it, you didn't leave the left mouse button. Without leaving the left mouse button, you just typed 0 or 90, you can type 180. It will immediately change as per your requirement. So here now we applied 0 and it became flat. So this special manipulation we are calling it, right? Now it has become flat. If you see, there will be little additional points, vertices will be there. We have to delete them. Go to vertex mode. uh, yeah, first one, next to edit mode, no, vertex mode is there, first one, first. Yeah, 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 that one. Yeah, 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 that one. Yeah. Now you see, in between some vertices are added. It happens while doing knife projection. It will happen. Now we want to get rid of this gizmo. So press W in the keyboard. Press W in the keyboard. Yeah. So now press. Do you see extra vertices in between in the selection? Whatever selection faces selection, no. You see extra vertices. I'll tell you. Uh, Deselect, no, deselect. Alt A. Yeah, yeah. Now do you see extra vertices? You see vertical lines are there in the cylinder, and uh, some extra vertices are also there. Just zoom in, no, zoom in. Yeah, little bring it down. No, that is pan it down. Yeah, that is only pan, hand. Yeah, that is called panning. You can press shift mouse button and middle mouse shift shift key in the keyboard. Yeah, like this. Yeah, yeah. Okay, press shift mouse button and press middle mouse button and bring it down. Drag your mouse down after. Yeah, yeah, like that one. Yes, so you don't have to. Yeah, no, 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 just not this much. Yeah, enough. Now zoom in. Yeah, enough. Now do you see, apart from the vertical edges, no, vertical edges, there are in between, there are vertices, small dots like vertices are there. Those vertices we have to delete. Yeah, yeah, yes, they are. So one by one you can delete, but don't use rectangle. Pick selection. Yeah, delete. Dissolve vertices. Yeah, yeah, same thing here. Dissolve vertices. Yeah, yeah. This one. Yeah, yeah. Same thing. That last one is okay. Actually, it's okay. We have to keep it. So in the same parallelly down also we have extra vertices. Shift mouse, shift and middle, like that. Pan it. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, nice, super. Right, now we have to select these faces, and go to face mode. Yeah, and select these faces, that is inside that area, no, knife projection area. Only those faces you have to select. Little zoom out, you will get the idea where the boundary is. A little pan it down. No, yeah, yeah, pan it. Use shift and middle mouse button will be easier. Yeah, yeah. Little zoom out. These ones. Yeah, yeah. Little zoom out, no, so that that is. Uh, Yeah, no, yeah, you can. That is, we are not knowing whether it is inside the boundary. That's why I'm asking you to zoom out. Zoom out. Yeah, yeah. It little more zoom out. Yeah. Now it is okay. So that we can see the top edge, top horizontal line and uh, bottom horizontal line. Now you can start selecting the faces. Uh, you can yeah. That's all. That's all. Yeah. Next one. Shift to select next one. Yeah. Yeah. That's all. Very easy. Yes. Last one. I think you just go to user perspective. Go to user perspective. Uh, press dot in the keyboard. Uh, Now switch off the X-ray mode. It will remove your confusion. Always no switch off whenever it's not needed, or sometimes when we are feeling little confused. Now turn the camera and see. No, that side we have to see. Turn the camera. Yeah, it is okay. Fine. Correct. Nice. Okay. Now press Alt E. Yeah. First option, extrude faces. Now just move it. Enough. Fine. No, not little fat. It can be. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Now let this be in selection, because we are going to separate this object, this hook object, and so for that we have to add the selections. No. Uh, Select the upper faces also. A little zoom. Yeah. Select the upper faces also. Shift to select upper faces. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Side face also. Yeah. Side. This one. Yeah. Now this side face and then bottom. I think one more face is there. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Yeah. I think one more is there. Yeah. Now we have to separate it. No. We have the formula for that, which is P, pressing P and then separate. Yeah. Selection. That's all. Now you can see that you have to go to object mode as usual. Only then you can access it. Yeah. Yes. Now the pivot is not inside the geometry. For that, what we have to do? Go to object menu. Yeah, object menu. Set origin to geometry. That's all. That's all. Now you just press N in the keyboard. No. Yeah. First item you choose, item column, item dialog box. You see in the location, no, there are numbers. They are not zeros. They are not zeros, no. Yeah. Now you bring your cursor to the viewport. Now you press Control A and all transforms. Yeah. Do you see it has become zero? But sometimes you want the origin pivot point inside the geometry so that you can move it, or that it will be convenient, right? So at that time you can apply which one, that origin to geometry. Where it is, go to object menu. There, just go to object menu. No, just for recollection we are doing. You go to object menu. uh, and move it, and move it in numerically. That way also you can do. Numerically you can move, but not everyone prefers it. They want to move it manually. That is, physically they want to move it. It'll be easy for them. Uh, so in that case, when you're wanting to move it physically, at the time you have to go to object menu, set origin to geometry. So always remember this. Or whenever you are playing this video, it'll be there always, that demonstration is there. Right? Now, uh, now go to edit mode. No, escape. Edit mode. Yeah. Now take your cursor to the object geometry. No, there is yeah. Control R. Yeah, only two lines. Enough. Left mouse button click and then escape. Yeah, that's it. Now we have to scale it down. That is, bring those edges closer. Yeah, yeah. Scale option and Z down. Okay, it won't do. Yeah, yeah. Why? Why? Because it's in individual origins. No, no, no. Don't change the view. Don't. Let it be like this. Why? Because it's in individual origins. I'll tell you. Go to top. Yeah, transform pivot point. Next thing. Next. Yeah, yeah. You see, it is in individual origins. If you switch to median point, now you just scale it down and see. Yeah, not this much closer. No, no. Little press function dot in the keyboard. No, we have to see the length properly. Little close up. Yeah, and turn the camera to see it properly. That is front side. Little tilt down the camera. That is front side. We have. There is. I want to see it face to face. Those two edges. No. Yeah, this is front side. Yeah. Now, now you can scale it down. Little more. Enough. Bus. No, little bigger. Okay. Yeah, enough. Right. Now, Alt A. Select. Go to face mode. Third one. Yeah. Select the faces inside that area where we added, no, except for the last either side faces, first and last, except for the first and last. Yeah, very good. That's enough. Now press Alt E and extrude face. Yes. Uh, yeah. Let it come little more. You can now turn the camera and move it manually. No. Oh, no, undo. Uh, yeah. Only once we have to. No. In this case, no, it's very dangerous. Actually, you would have duplicated. That is extruded once more, and those faces are on the same place. So what we have to do? You are in face mode. Select any one face in that, and just move it. The culprit, whether it is he is coming out or not, we will see. Just move it and see. No. This scale handle, move handle. Go to toolbox and move handle. No. This scale handle is. Yeah. Hmm. See, it is duplicated. So, uh, so undo. Just to yeah. Now you just press Alt T and then yeah. Now you are not able to move further, no, because camera angle is such. So now you can leave it, but don't deselect it. Just turn the camera and move it manually. That's all. Turn the camera sidewards. Now move it. Yeah, move it forward. Z. No. Move those faces forward. No. Move those faces. Whatever you have selected, no. Use the green color handle and move it. No. In this phase you cannot. No. Turn the camera and see it sideways. Right. Now zoom out a little. Yeah. Choose the green handle and move it forward. Yeah. This is what I see. Yeah. But no, it is moving. It is not extruding. Yeah. Extruding means duplication. Uh, that is because you are moving. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I will tell you, and just move it. This much length is not needed. Just move it backwards. No, no, little, no, no, little slowly. Enough. Yeah. Uh, Press dot function dot. Yeah. Now you want to see the difference between moving the extrusion, that is selected faces, and extruding the faces, right? I will tell you. Now press, don't change the view. Press Alt E and extrude faces. Yeah, little move forward. Drag the mouse forward. Enough. Just enough. Stop the function. Stop the function. Yeah. Now, do you see one more lines there on the bin? Yeah. So this is why from there it has extruded. From there it has been duplicated. So that is the difference between movement and extrusion. Right. Now you can undo it. We don't need that. Yeah. One more undo. Oh, okay. It is gone. Now you can safely using the green handle move it. Yeah. Little more. Enough. So that no, we'll have a provision for making a hole for that one. Right. Now, Alt A, uh, select, go to edge mode, edge mode, yeah, middle one, middle one, yeah, and select the left side edge on the recently duplicated, no, vertical edge, yeah, yeah, same on the right side, shift select on the right side, yeah, careful, no, undo, yeah, yes, yeah. Now control B, drag the mouse, slowly drag the mouse, it will happen. Okay, now what you, no, careful, you have scrolled the mouse button, you, no, wait, okay, you just press one left mouse button, okay, uh, go to the settings on the left side, down left side, yeah, open it, yeah. Now here, you can change the segments to number of segments to 3, okay, and width to zero point 0.1, you type 0.1, yeah, I think maybe 0.15 or something is okay, and okay, this is enough, huh? Some little, the edge should be soft, no, for that we are doing. So now you can minimize this left dialog box settings. Yeah. So you just become used to that. So it is easy only. It's not a big deal. Right. Now you can Alt A, deselect. Yeah. Now we are going to make a hole. Do you have time? Like, or tomorrow we'll do, or what? Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, we'll try it. We'll do it. Go to object mode. Go to object mode. Yeah. Now we are going to take a circle. Add, add mesh. Sorry, add curve. Circle. Yeah. Bezier circle only we want. That's why we have to. Because we are going to make a hole, no? Same thing what we did, like knife projection. Using the knife projection method only we are going to make the hole. Right now, before making the hole, now you have created the circle. Just go to front viewport. Yeah, and zoom out, zoom out. Uh-huh. It is home button. If it is there, it will be nice actually. I don't know why home button is not there. Now you have to select the Bezier circle. I think go to outliner. When you're bit trapped, where to in 3D viewport, you can immediately go to outliner. Yeah. Now, yeah. Now come zoom out. Yeah, zoom out, zoom out. It should be in the world origin down. Yeah, yeah. So now move it upwards. No. Move the circle upwards. No, circle will it is drowned inside the shade mode. Yeah, you are seeing able to see the vector handle. No, that is enough. Yeah, yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Font function dot. Yeah. Now go to top view. Yeah. Now you have to move it upwards. No. That is green color axis. Yeah, yeah. So it is bigger. We have to scale it down. Press S. For this one, you can use the shortcut. Press. Okay, this one also okay. White color. No, not single. No, single axis. White color circle. Uniform axis scale. Not this one. Outside. Yes. Uh, Now press function dot in the keyboard. Yeah. Now little zoom out. I think this you have to select in the outliner. You don't have to feel lost. Outliner is always there, no? Select. Yeah. Now, your one problem is here the X-ray mode is off, no? So you can switch off on the X-ray mode. Yeah. Now you are able to see. The, now you can scale. Yeah. I'll tell you. You wait. You just leave it. You listen what I'm going to say. In Blender, object won't be in white color when in selection. Okay, it will be in yellow color or orange color. So wherever you are seeing white color, they are gizmo. They are not object. Yeah, you are seeing yellow color, no line, yellow color circle. That is the object. So yeah. Yeah. That, see, they have to make, they don't have much color schemes, they have to play with some minimum colors here. So but the size, with that you can. Now you have to place it. Go to move handle. Yeah. Right side. Oh, no, you are doing the free move. No. Yeah. Use the x-axis handle. Yeah. But in the middle. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So now you have placed it from the top view. It is okay. And now go to uh, right view, or say in your, for your object it should be front view. I think go to front view. Now move it upwards and keep it on the surface. No. Yeah, here I am able to see in the transparency. Yeah. Not so attached. Little upwards you can keep. No, upwards. No. Bring it down. Bring it down. No, you are having the wrong reference. Yeah, that is, go to side view. This is front view, no? Right view you choose. The press 3. Now you will be able to see. Bring it down. Yeah, keep it on the top. If you keep any object on the top of that, how it will. No, bring it on the, keep it on the, place it on the top. No, not. It is drowned inside. Ah, yeah. No, no, yeah. Bring it down. Yeah, yeah. Keep it on the just that is touch. Make it touch the. Sorry, I'm not getting the word. Okay, you are not. What is happening? Okay, go to side view again. You just move it. Uh, no, no. This there is right view only. I'm saying. Press three. Move it down. Move it down. Yeah, that's uh, little upwards. Little upwards. You move. Little bit upwards. Little more. Little bit upwards. Little more. Okay. Okay. Right now. Duplicate this circle. Shift D. Now. Now. Now you would have that is when duplicating, no, press escape immediately. Yeah, because blender will ask, it is helping you to move and place it somewhere, but we don't have to, we have to move it manually. I don't know why they are giving such things. Okay, now this little zoom out. Enough, enough. Now place it below the surface. Z axis. No, 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 no. Z axis. Bring it down. Bring it down. Down, 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 down. Yeah, there. Down, little more down you can. Yeah. This upper first circle also little more upwards you can move. First select the first circle. Yeah, and little upwards. Yeah, yeah. This is what I want. This right. Okay, okay, fine. Now we are going to make the hole. Before that, we have to uh, do all transforms. So select uh, hook object Bezier circles, both the Bezier circles, and and press, and also this hook object also you select. I think you can select in the viewport, I think, because we didn't name it, no, so it's difficult to find out. This one, yeah, 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 that's one, that's one. Now Control A, all transforms. Fine. Now we are going to do the knife projection operation, and go to perspective. No, no, go to perspective. Uh, Now select one curve first, one Bezier curve, yeah, and then shift to select in the viewport. In the viewport, shift to select this hook object. Yeah. Now edit mode, and mesh menu. You deselected by mistake. Undo, escape. No, no, you have to go to object mode now. No, uh, it is there, but you have selected, you deselected it. Okay, now, um, okay, mesh menu, and then knife projection. Yeah, yeah, that's one. Yeah. Now, immediately delete. Press delete, and and the faces. First one, third option. Yes. Yeah, yeah. So down also you have to do the same thing. uh, go back to object mode. Yeah, select the first the curve and then hook object. Shift to select hook object. Go to edit mode and then knife project. Yeah, delete. Third option. Yeah, that's it. Now you see it is hollow. We have to connect them. So how to connect them? Zoom in. uh, little like this you keep, don't change the view, don't change the view, let it be like this. Now uh, go to, you are in edge mode and switch, hide the bezier curves in the outliner. In the outliner hide the bezier, no, no, you don't have to select it. uh, in blender, no, to hide anything we don't have to select it. Generally when other softwares it's like that. No, no, hide it. Go to hide, yeah, yeah, hide it. That one also, top one also. No, no, that one let it be. Top busier one is still not still visible. That one also. Yeah. So they need not abstract. No, I don't want them to abstract. Now uh, we have to select using the alt. We have to select the top edges first. That circular edges. Uh, yeah, that one. Yeah. Alt press. You have to select alt. Okay, it is not doing. Means they are not continuous. So you have to select manually. You have to select. You press W in the keyboard. Press W. Now you select manually. You can switch off the X-ray for now. X-ray mode, and then it will remove the confusion. Yeah, yeah. So it'll be a bit difficult only. Yeah, yeah. Maybe we can try one thing. Select only one edge in the circle. Uh, Select only one edge. Uh, Now go to, no, no, don't change the view. Don't change. Like this. Let it be like this. Now go to select menu. Right side select menu. Yeah, yeah. No, no. There is just, no, no. Go to top. Go to top. View select all there. No. Select menu. Yeah. Now select similar. In that direction you choose, no, direction, just see whether it is working or not. Direction. Next one. uh, so it's not happening. Direction is selecting the other, which is not. So undo, you do undo and then try next one. You didn't do undo, huh? Undo you didn't do, escape. Uh-huh. No, no, that one is okay, that one is okay. Uh-huh. Okay, right. Yeah, yeah, select similar and select similar. uh, Choose length, first one. Yeah, that's one. Now we have to check whether any other unwanted edges are selected or not, right? Now for that, no, what we have to do, first, this is select. Okay, so we have to, many are selected like this. So how to do this is, uh, go to top view. Yeah, uh, top view, top means 7. Yeah. Now switch off the shade mode. Press Z in the keyboard. Yeah, wireframe mode. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh god, you have selected multiple times and some other selections have happened. No, undo. uh, One more undo. Okay. You go to wireframe mode, no? On the X-ray mode, you switch on. You clicked on the wireframe when you pressed Z. You clicked on the wireframe word many times, so it got deselected. Okay, right. Now switch next to the X-ray mode. One more icon is there. You switch on that next to X-ray mode. Ah, yeah. Wait a little. Ah, yeah. Now. Um, we have to select man. You can draw a selection, draw the rectangular selection and choose these circles. You first do deselection, alt a. No, alt a you do, no, alt a. Ah, now do the same thing, rectangular selection and select yeah. Yeah. Now you see whether there is any unwanted selection has happened. It's if it has not happened, it's nice. Ah, that side edges had only that you press control and draw rectangular selection. Control. Yeah. Like that you see anywhere else select if it is selected. If I think no. Good. So from the top we can select and make it happen. Right. Now, yeah. Now what we have to do is go to Edge menu in the top. No, no, yeah, Edge menu. That is the one. Yeah. You went there only. Yeah. Yeah. There, bridge edge loops option is there. Just bring that one. That's all. That's all. Now press. Don't deselect. Okay. Don't deselect. It is bit crisscross, no. So we have to make it little bit organized. So for that, what we have option. Go to face. Go to face menu. Face menu. There do you see tris to quads? Tris to triangles to quads. One option is there. Triangles to quad. Tris to quads. Up. Below that. Just below that. Yeah, that one. Tris to quad. Apply it. Yeah, that's all. That's all. So it became, yeah, yeah. Right. Now it is no more hollow and it is done. Now you can press Alt A and come out of this. That is deselect. Yeah, yeah. Now go to object mode. Yeah, you can select this object, this hook object. Yeah, can no, just one selection. No, they are one single object. No, just pick selection. You do pick selection. Yeah, that is all. Now name it in the outliner as hook object, hook mesh or something. Hook. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, right. That's it. Now that's I think the duplication we have to do and place it all that we have to do. Maybe next time, next class, tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow we can do. Yeah. So you can save this as version one or something. This it is barricade. You can barricade uh, barricade underscore version one. Yeah, right. Save as, yeah. Okay, fine. So Poonam, initially, no, you have learned many things actually today. So many things you have learned. Initially, it may be a bit tedious. So many options we have to learn, and Blender is bit, though a powerful software, and it is spreading like anything. All industries have started using this Blender software, and they have very good plans. The Blender company has very good plans, but it is not user friendly. So in the beginning it will be little difficult, little we have to bear with that, because it is context based menus, no. If I keep the cursor here, the and press H, it is a different function. And same H, when the cursor is on the outliner, it is a different function. Like that, they have uh, divided the screen into some 100 parts like that. So here if I keep, it is a different, here is if I keep the cursor, it is different function, like that it is. So initially it will be tedious, but long run, if you see, you will be able to model and you can sell if you want. All that it, all the assets are done in Blender only for Unreal and for other, all mostly are done in Blender only, because Blender is free of cost. And one more thing is, it is very powerful compared to 3ds Max and Autodesk. I don't know about the SolidWorks, but compared to 3ds Max and Autodesk, Maya and all, it is really powerful. So like that. So okay, tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow same time, I think 8:30. Okay, okay. Thank you, Bruno. Thank you. Bye.